Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the most pressing economic problems in India is facing, that is unemployment, especially among the youth. So India is one of the youngest countries in the world with more than 65% of its population below the age of 35. This should be our biggest strength, but instead it is slowly turning into a serious concern. Every year, millions of young people graduate with degrees hoping for better opportunities. However, many of them struggle to find jobs that match their skills. The problem is not just unemployment but also underemployment. Many people are working in jobs that do not fully utilize their education or abilities. For example, an engineer graduate working in a paying clerical job. This leads to frustration, low productivity, and even mental stress. One major reason behind this issue is the gap between education and industry needs. Our education system often focuses more on theoretical knowledge rather than practical skill. As a result, students are not fully prepared for real world jobs. Additionally, the rapid growth of automation technology is replacing many traditional jobs. If this problem continues, it can slow down economic growth, increase inequality, and even lead to social unrest. That is why it is extremely important to address it now. So, what can be done? First, we need to reform our education system by focusing more on skill development, internships, and industry exposure. Second, the government should promote entrepreneurship by providing funds and support to startups. Third, there should be greater investment in sectors like manufacturing and small business, which can generate large scale employment. However, implementing these solutions is not easy. Challenges like lack of infrastructure, slow policy execution, unequal access to education still exist. In conclusion, unemployment is not just an economic issue, it is a social and human issue. If we want India to grow as a strong, developed nation, we must ensure that our youth are not just educated but also employed. Thank you.